Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Phantom Wallet. You need to have Solana in your wallet before purchasing meme coins. To do this, deposit money from your bank account or card onto an exchange like Coinbase or Bybit. Then, go to your Phantom Wallet, select Solana, and copy your wallet address to receive funds. Next, send Solana from your exchange to your Phantom Wallet. Once you have Solana in your wallet, tap Buy at the top right side. Now, scroll down and select the target meme coin you would like to buy. For example, if you want to buy Jupiter, select it from the list. Then, enter the amount you want to buy. Once done, select the target payment method and then select Buy from the bottom. Once the transaction is completed, your new meme coins will be in your Phantom Wallet. So that's basically how you can buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.